Ever wondered how loud your sneeze really is? Let's measure it. Boom. Achoo! Did you know that your sneeze can be as loud as a rock concert? That's over 100 decibels. So why is it so loud? When you sneeze, air rushes out of your nose and mouth at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. Believe it or not, your sneeze is your body's way of clearing out irritants like dust or pepper. It's like your nose saying, "Let's clean house." And here's a funny thought. If sneezing is this loud, imagine if it had an echo. So the next time you sneeze, remember, you're breaking sound barriers and keeping your body clean. Like and subscribe for more fun body facts.